Hello. How are you? I am very high. I am going to be making this lovely pumpkin into your next smoking accessory. I don't know whether to classify it as a bong or a pipe because I'm not going to add water, but then I feel like pipes can't be this big. This is my inspiration from Instagram. I think this is going to go okay. I haven't tried this at all yet and I don't even have a backup pumpkin. I have a lot of experience turning fruits and vegetables into smokable objects. Go watch my video where I smoke out fruits and vegetables for a week. For the pumpkin pipe you will need a pumpkin, obviously, a few pre-roll joints, a chopping board, a bowl, a knife, 2 straws and a spoon, and a pen. Let's begin! Oh my god, I should not hold the knife like that. Right now, I'm just gonna cut the top of the pumpkin off so I can scoop out the insides. Ah. I think I'm too weak for this. Okay, smoke break. I think we are there. Magic. Now it is time to scoop out the insides of the pumpkin. Ah. Look at this. Did I make the hole too small? I don't know. So I've carved out the inside of the pumpkin. It is ready. I'm gonna draw the face and cut out the mouth holes for the joints to go inside. Because my pumpkin is slightly deformed, I'm going to make the face on this side. I think I want to draw triangle eyes, you know, like the scary like Halloween pumpkins. This is the vibe I'm going for. This is Sharpies, so I hope I don't fuck up. Okay, I did a little bit, but you know what? It's okay. Am I okay? Look at this. Let's fix this shit. That's better. Every line I do just makes it worse. I'm too high for this. I'm gonna try and carve them out. I'm not gonna do it fully. I switched to carving out the eyes with a straw because it's so much safer and so much easier. Put that knife down, guys. It took a while, but we got the eyes. They may look deformed, but I'm gonna work with what I got because I just want to smoke out of this thing. I have pumpkin literally everywhere. I'm literally just gonna push a hole big enough for the joints to fit through with the straw. It went in surprisingly easy. Ooh. How I get this out, I don't know. Ew, don't do that. I'm gonna just continue marking with the pen where I want to put the rest of the holes. There we go. Oh my days. Oh, so much better. Finally, I'm gonna make the suction hole. Oh, my nail, jeez. Make this a lot easier because I don't want to pull straight from the, I was gonna call it a pineapple then, from the pumpkin. I have a spare reusable straw which I'm just gonna use to inhale from. I'm excited to try. I'm gonna put the joints inside so they're all lit. I'm gonna try it. Oh my god. Yes, it worked. Jesus. I can't believe it works. Too intense for me. I am very much quite somewhere. Anyways, it's actually really smooth. It is a little bit pumpkin-y, not gonna lie, so if you don't like the taste of pumpkin, this isn't for you. However, if you do and you love Halloween, please try this pumpkin pipe. Yes, I decided it's called a pipe. Ooh, mistakes were made. Anyways, I think this pumpkin pipe turned out really well. I'm so happy with it. Please give this a try. If you do try this pumpkin pipe, tag me on Instagram. My username is @Laurel Anisa. I also post daily content. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Bye!